In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $10,551 in commission just in 16 days of this month, from the first day of September until the day 16th of September. Okay, I made $10,551 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook. Step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable. From my experience, this is the best one. Okay, all you have to do, just click on join now like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, do you have main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. What you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable service that you should start promoting on Facebook if you want to earn your first $1,000 just by using free traffic. Okay, so what you will do next, pay attention. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. Let me show you. Go back to this Fiverr homepage, to your homepage over here on Fiverr. Click on the search and search for this service. Search for video editing. Search for this one. Okay, and I want you to pay a close attention. I will share with you also how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. But first, we need to choose good sellers. So pay close attention, please. Search for video editing, scroll down. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you will do next is you need to choose a good sellers. Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So it's very important to choose good sellers. Scroll down and let's choose one of those sellers. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. For example, you guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will do professional video editing. He has over 1,000 reviews, which is really good. I will just click on his service like this. So choose which seller you want and just click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see that this seller has 7 orders in queue, meaning that people are already paying for this service. People are already buying those services. It's very important, and it's already working, and it's still working. Okay, and this seller has, it's close to 3,000 reviews. Close to 3,000 people paid for this service. So people keep commenting that it's not working, those services, people will not buy those services from you. How? And this is the proof. Why the seller has 7 orders in queue? why people keep coming back. People keep coming back, they keep coming and they buying those services again and again, because they are making new videos, they need editing, new videos again need editing, and it's going like this. Okay, what you will do next, pay attention, copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go to your Fiverr homepage, go to this Fiverr homepage, to your Fiverr affiliate homepage, to your dashboard, click over here. Okay, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook, pay close attention, open your Facebook homepage like this. All of you guys have Facebook accounts, so you just need to use your Facebook account. Open your Facebook account like this, click on the search, click on the search and search for YouTube growth like this. Okay, search for YouTube growth, and you have here filters, scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Okay, and here you go, all you need to do next is you need to join those groups. Those groups are public groups, so it's not very important to join those public groups, but private groups you need to click on join so you can have access to those groups. Okay, so I will click on the first group, for example like this. Let's choose this group, and here you go, you will be directly in this group like this. If you scroll down, here you go, you will find a lot of people here who has YouTube channels, and they are sharing their YouTube videos links here. Why those people are sharing their YouTube videos links here? Because they want to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. That's why they are sharing their YouTube videos links here. They have small YouTube channels. If we scroll down, here is another one. He has a YouTube channel. This is a video, this is a YouTube video link. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy video editing service, to edit their YouTube videos to get more views, more subscribers. This service is very important for those people who just started YouTube. Okay, so what you will do next, so for example let's choose this person. I will click on his name and I will click on message. I will send a professional and friendly message to this person with my Fiverr affiliate link about this service, and explaining to him that this service is very important. Okay, so how you can create a friendly and professional message? What you will do, you will go to Google, you will search for ChatGPT, you will use AI to create a professional and friendly message. It's for free. You just need to click on message, and here you go. You guys, I asked him, so for example, as you can see here, I asked ChatGPT to create a professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. This is the message, looking to take your video content to the next level. Whether you are a YouTuber, social media influencer, or business owner, this is a professional message. All you need to do next, you need to copy this message like this. Okay, just copy this message and go back to your Facebook homepage, to this Facebook group page, and click over here in this message and put your message here. Scroll down, you have here the part that you need to put your affiliate link in. Okay, so we need to put our Fiverr affiliate link here. So what you will do next, you just need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and go back to your Facebook, to this Facebook homepage, and put your message here like this. Okay, you can see. You guys can go to Google if you want to make this affiliate link short link. You can use a lot of websites on Google for free. And what you will do next, you just need to click on send. And here you go. Your message will be sent to this person like this, with your affiliate link, with your video editing service, and that's it. You guys can see it's really easy and professional. Those people are interested to grow their YouTube channels. You just need to learn how to talk with those people, how to convince those people are your customers, and they are for free. It's free traffic. You don't need to invest any money in paid ads. And you have a lot of customers here that you need to convince. If you can't convince those people to buy those services from you, the problem is you. And because the business model is clear and it's easy, okay? And those people are your customers. If you can't convince just 2 people per day or 3 people on those Facebook groups, you have a problem. You need to go to learn marketing, go to YouTube, learn how to convince people, how to promote your services, how to promote your products, and that's it. I also have an affiliate marketing course for people who are interested to start affiliate marketing step by step. Take this business seriously. You guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will be happy to help you with this business. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.